where it's coming that short. How long do we want to have those? And then I can take them out. I'll use these to make this little piece. Once I get it tacked on, I can snip them out and then reuse them on to do the other side. That's what we'll do. That's what we do. All right. How long do I want that? Do I want one shorter than the other? Do I want one long? We'll go 4, 4, and then 4.5. Turn around here, 4. Yeah. Don't want that side. Got a little burr on it. What's wrong, Spirit? I might as well make both for both of them right now. I need 2, 4.5. I'll make 2 the same distance for that one. Isn't the old saying to measure twice and cut once? I like to measure once and cut twice. Huh? That makes me faster, doesn't it? Sure does. But in all actual fact, as we talk about that, in all actual fact, once you become good at something, what else is there? You might as well become as quick and as fast as you can. Basically, when you become good at something, when Jolene texts or sends a message, the faster she can do it, probably the better. The faster you get at it, the better it is, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm telling myself. So we get a half-inch difference, or half-inch difference. So 2 go, 1 go there. I don't know where this sucker is. That's just a. Is that my 3-inch piece? Yeah, 3-inch. 3-inch. That goes with those. Don't want to mess those up. Keep these all in order here. I'll have myself in a mess. All right, so we got those. Oh, I'm going to use those actually. Put in the center of these. These are going to have to be. Let's see how they're going to have to go in there. So I want to do the opposite cut on these. I want to veer this off a little bit in the backside.